It's not as loud as those birds out there, but it'll get loud. You'll hear it.
Buddy and Kiwi. Hi, Buddy and Kiwi. Hi. Hi, Buddy and Kiwi. Hi, babies. And you're Lyman? I don't know where. Oh, there you are. Hi. Jezebel. Hi, Jezebel. Yeah. Hi, baby. Hi. Hello. Hi. Okay. And you're Ringo. Hi, Ringo. Hi, baby. Hi, Ringo. Hi. Well, hello. What are you saying?
Oh, give me a kiss.
Give me a kiss.
Yeah.
Give me a kiss.
Ringo says, "Where's Lorena and Elena?" And then makes
I love
kissing
you.
sounds. I love you. Then makes kiss sounds. Give me a beer.
Give me a
And
beer.
Merry Christmas.
Give me a beer, he says. Peekaboo. He said peekaboo. He said
Give me a beer.
kiss. And he went, whoo-hoo, and a whistle.
Give me a beer. Give me a beer.
All right, I'd take Ringo home in a heartbeat.
Yeah, right.
Sorry.
I love the chatty ones.
I do too. Hi, Ringo. Hi. Give me a kiss.
Oh,
Give me a kiss. Mwah. Hello, Ringo. Hi, baby.
I want him to say, "Give me a beer."
I heard the gimme kiss and he did the kissing
Yeah.
sounds.
Ringo, do you have a beer?
Baby.
Whoa.
Baby. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, baby. Hello. Give me a kiss.
Where's Lorraine and Elaine?
Lorraine and Elaine.
Merry
Okay.
Christmas.
Oh, you're so cute.
Give me a beer.
Give me beer. I love you.
Where's Lorraine?
I love you.
Oh, I love you too.
Love you.
Do you have a beer?
I love you.
What about just beer? Beer?
You want a beer? Give me a beer.
Yes, it's that one. Maybe it's a rare occasion.
There's a movie called Polly, a Disney movie. Or
Oh, yeah.
That's the blue crown conure right there.
Oh,
Not the same bird, but that's the same kind of bird.
I vaguely remember.
They're
the song.
very talkative. We just gotta want to talk. Ringo, I love you, so I think you gotta come home. Think I can sneak you on the plane? I'd have to get a carrier. Yeah.
He's like, "Oh yeah.
Hi, Ringo. Hi, Ringo. Hi. And your names are Marley and Merlin. Hi, Marley and Merlin. Hi. Hi, Marley and Merlin. Hi. Hi, Marley and Merlin. Yes, Ringo. I think I have a love for you. Look at look at the macaws in the back. They probably are permanent residents, or maybe they're quarantine. I don't know. Hi, babies. Hi, gorgeous. Well, look at you. You're a quacker. A quacker. You're Duke. Hi, Duke. I'm sorry. I keep gravitating towards Ringo. Cuddles and Remy. Hi, babies. Hi. Look at Skittles and mango. Oh my gosh.
I saw that, yeah.
We had a Skittles and we have a mango. We had a Skittles that Brittany did growing up.
I love you.
And I have a mango. So yes, I do. Yes, I do. Hi, Sun Connors. Hey, Green Cheeks. Sasha and Emily. Hey, beauties. Hi. Yes. Say, I got loud birds too. Yes, I do. Oh my goodness. Hello. Lemon and pickles. Oh my gosh. Hi, beauties. Oh my goodness. Look at you guys. Yeah, I think I could go crazy here. Oh, they left. It was too loud. Hayden?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. I'll hurry it up. I feel bad. But I never, ever come out here, so. Coco and Blue.
I love you, Ringo.
I know, I love Ringo. Ringo is, yeah. I don't know what it is about Ringo, but I love him. Hey, Thompson. Well, hello. You're a Nande. Yes. Hi, Nande. Sarasota. You're another Nande. Hi, Sarasota. Sarasota the Nande. Nande Conyers. Sarasota. Yep. All right. Uh-oh, there's a bird called Coraline. Love it. Hi, Sky and a George. Sky and George. Wow. Okay. Evil and Knievel. Too funny. All right, last room. I still love Ringo. Mutt and Jeff. Hi, Mutt and Jeff. You guys, yeah. And we got Stanley. Hi, Stanley. And we don't know your name yet, but you're adorable and we love you already. Mickey. Hi, Mickey. And Petrie and Lime. Hi, Petrie and Lime. Hi. And Romeo and Juliet. Hi, Romeo and Juliet. Hi. We love you. All right. I got to say, yeah, babies. Hi. Hello. All right. Let's say goodbye. I love you guys already. Oh, my gosh. If I lived out here, I'd be a volunteer. Okay. All right. You are the one I want to adopt. I love you. Bye, Ringo. And yes, I have a passion for blue crown conures too. Yes, I do. I love you too. But Ringo, you stole my heart. Hi, Ringo. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. I love you. 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 Another bird saying I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Is it you? Are you saying I love you? I love you. I love you. I love you. Okay. Hi, babies. I love you, Ringo. I want you to come home with me. I want to adopt you. I love you, Ringo. All right.